Today, we're in a special place. We are in Orange, Connecticut, New England. If you take a look closely, all around me, I'm surrounded by Pez dispensers. That's right. We're in the Pez Museum, y'all. I invite you to come along because we got plenty of space. Yeah. Check out these seats. Little benches. Panty machine. But let's go inside because the fun part is inside. The world's largest Pez dispenser, y'all. You gotta check this out. Check this out.
And here it is, standing at 14 feet tall, plus is motorized.
Push the button. Watch the mouth open. World's largest Pez dispenser right there. Check it out, y'all.
It's the world's famous Huckleberry Hound.
Look at the size of this guy. I'm 6 feet tall. It's Happy Face Pez. Limited edition Crystal Ladybug dispensers. Crystal Psychedelic.
Peppermint Patty, Mr. Joe Cool himself, Snoopy, his partner in crime Woodstock. We got Lucy over here, Mr. Chuck, Charlotte Brown. Down below we got the Smurfs, Smurfette, Gargamel, Papa Smurf, Smurf Village, Brainy. I don't know who these people are right here, so comment below and let me know. Of course I know Odie and the lasagna eating Garfield.
So we're in the downstairs, it's 2 floors. We're gonna go take a look at the upstairs. But this is the factory right here. Take a look.
If it is backwards, the candy ships to a separate room, where the candy now moves on to packaging, where it is paired with the dispenser and sealed in plastic. Depending on the retailer's preference, the candy either moves through the poly bag machine or onto the blister card machine.
So that's where they make them, cook them up, hook them up, package them, dispense them, get them ready. There you go. Roll them away. All right, let's go upstairs.
And here we are greeted by some 1930s vintage pinup girl style propaganda.
All right, y'all, so we made it to the top. Up here, the second level, it's basically if you want to have a party, probably rent the space out. It's got party tables, it's got these benches, long bench. Right here. And then you got your sink, prepping area and stuff. And you got refrigerators. Check this out, y'all. This is one of the coolest things in here. I don't know how many of y'all are familiar with Orange County Shoppers. It was a father-son team. They used to customize shoppers, motorcycles. Check this out. Look what they have right here, made by Orange County Shoppers. Check out them handlebars. Check out the gas tank. Pez. Super, super, super cool. Check it out, Darth Vader cookie jar. Pez cookie jar. Uncle Sam cookie jar. Spaceman lunch boxes. And right over here behind me, we got vintage machines. Vintage Pez machines. Let me see how much do you have to put in. What kind of coins you used. 25 cents vending machines. You dropped a quarter in there and you were able to get any of these guys right here. Or any of these guys for the low price of 25 cents. And even more vending machines. Check this out for 25 cents. Gotta love that old school marketing, those vintage girls from back in the days. But check it out. World's largest dispenser. Top view. As you can see, I'm on the second level. You can see down below. There's Huckleberry. Did y'all know that Pez had Crayolas? They had Crayolas.
They had Monopoly, and Camilla Elfhick designed some Pez stilettos.
So this guy was nearly the 2000s when this guy came out. He's supposed to be a giant grasshopper. Let's check it out, y'all. Star Wars. Marvel, they got Star Wars, they got Peanuts, they got pretty much anything you could think of, even fun facts. In the 1970s, Pez used a clown as his mascot. What was his name? I have no idea. Peter Pez. What is the common term used to refer to the smallest tabs on the dispenser? Pellets? Feet. Which dispenser, first introduced in the 1950s, is the biggest selling dispenser of all time? Santa Claus. Which Pez dispenser featured on episodes of the popular Seinfeld television show? Peter Bird. Which famous Disney character was introduced as a dispenser in the 1960s? That's easy. Mickey Mouse. Yes, sir. Alright, y'all, that concludes the visit here at the Pez Museum, Pez Visitor Center, Orange, Connecticut, New England. If y'all ever in town, you want to see the world's largest Pez dispenser, or just check out the history of the Pez, the factory, lots and lots and lots of different Pez, come buy some candy, whatever it is, just come act the fool, get shenanigans. You already know how we do it. With that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, ding the bell, all that good stuff. Don't forget to see new places, meet new faces, and always leave a space for love. Peace. Check this out. Before we leave, I'm gonna school you to some game. When you come here, they have this really cool game. Upon arrival, when you walk in, they ask you if you want to play. So there's this mystery message that you have to solve. So you have to find all of these Pez and write the letter that they give you a code. So you write, when you find the number gives you a letter, and you put the letter in the bottom. So it's gonna spell something out. In this case, it's spelled out spooky for at Pez. That's what it spelled out. So when you solve the mystery puzzle, you get a free Pez dispenser. So this is the one for today. It changes every month or every week or something like that. You're not always gonna get the same one, but this is the one in this case. And you also get some free stickers, which I can't find right now, but they give you 2 free stickers that say Pez, and you get to keep the lanyard that they give you when you come in, so you can take the tour. So you keep this as a souvenir. So just wanted to share that fun fact with y'all. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, introduced 1984. Game Boy released by Nintendo 1989. Cabbage Patch Kid mass production 1982.